I'm Chef Greg, and today we're going to make a blue cheese and cherry pork loin. So we've got a 2.5 pound pork loin here, and one thing we need to do is trim off this piece of silver skin off the top. It's going to be a very chewy, dense piece of a piece of the pork that we definitely don't want to eat. So to ensure that we can stuff this pork loin evenly, we're going to butterfly it open to about 1/2 inch thick. So using a knife, go about 1/4 of the way in, and then you can butterfly that pork loin open and continue the cut. We're going to season this up with our Kickin Joe Espresso rub. Going to lay a few slices of prosciutto ham. Place some of our cherries. And some fantastic gorgonzola cheese. Now when you roll this up, make sure you roll it from front to back, and that way you get that seam nice and tight. And to ensure everything stays nice and tight, we're going to tie it up with some butcher's twine. We're going to season the outside of this with that same Espresso Joe rub. And if you get any extra on the board, don't worry. You can kind of roll that pork loin around. Pick all up that flavor. We're going to cook this in the RT 700 bowl at 375 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes to an internal temperature of 140 degrees. And again, we're cooking on the bowl today. This recipe doesn't make a difference if you're cooking on the Stampede or the Trailblazer. So to recap, we stuffed this pork tenderloin with some prosciutto ham, blue cheese, some cherries. We cooked it at 375 degrees to an internal of about 140 degrees. We let this rest for about 20 minutes to let everything kind of relax on the inside. We're going to slice this nice and thin. I am super excited to see what this looks like. Look at that. All that cheese, cherries, and ham. And again, we cooked it at that higher temp, but look at that smoke ring. I like to pair this with a citrus, pecan, and kale salad. Let's go in for a taste. That's delicious. The link for this salad is in the description below. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, make sure you subscribe on our YouTube channel. We'll see you at the REC TEC.